Ginger milk pudding, or ginger juice milk curd, is one of the most classic and delicate Cantonese desserts. Made with just two ingredients, milk and fresh ginger juice, it's silky smooth, lightly sweet, and wonderfully comforting. Though simple, it takes precision and timing to get it right. Today on Mini Spoon Asia, we'll show you how to make the perfect bowl of ginger milk pudding at home. Start by grating fresh old ginger and squeezing out the juice using a fine cloth. Freshly extracted juice is essential. It has stronger aroma and higher enzyme activity that helps the milk set. Next, use whole milk, never low-fat or plant-based, as the fat content gives the pudding its creamy texture. Heat the milk gently with sugar until it reaches around 70 to 80 degrees Celsius warm, but not boiling. Pour the ginger juice into a bowl and swirl gently to coat the bottom. Then, in one steady motion, pour the hot milk directly into the bowl from a height to create a natural collision. This quick pour helps activate the ginger enzymes that make the milk curdle softly. Once poured, don't stir. Let it rest undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see a smooth layer form on top beneath it, a warm, silky pudding that melts on your tongue. For best results, always use fresh ginger juice and keep the milk at the right temperature. If it's too hot, it won't set, too cold, and it won't curdle. What you need is whole milk 250 milliliters, fresh ginger juice 1 tablespoon, sugar 1 tablespoon, and calories is approximately 120 kilocalories per 100 grams. More than just a dessert, ginger milk pudding is a bowl of warmth and comfort. If you enjoyed this classic Cantonese treat, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mini Spoon Asia, where every dish tells the taste of tradition.